What you're seeing on your screen is a screenshot of payment that was received by one of the students for just taking surveys online. If you have been following my series, you will notice that for a while now I've been talking about how you can get paid from survey jobs, how you can get paid from testing websites and app. So in today's video, I want to show you exactly a site where you can actually test websites and make money for yourself. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. On this channel we talk about how you can make money online, how you can do stuffs that will help you make money and grow your business. So before we get into the video, please just make sure you support me by liking, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell. This video is not going to be long, it's just going to be a short one showing you the website, one of the websites. It's actually a review. So alright, so on your screen right now, this is the website. Okay, if you scroll down, alright, you can see here it's showing the name of the site is called Try Matter. On this website you can test, you can identify, you can unleash your best website usability experience by eliminating the guesswork and knowing exactly what works for your users. As you can see here, you can scroll. It's basically a website where you can test things. As you can see here, 360 website testing tool. Okay, so for you now, you can actually make money here by coming to test websites. All right, so people come here to upload their website, and your job is to help them test the website. Okay, as you can see here, this is website and app user experience testing. This is website and app user experience testing. Another one, this is e-commerce testing. This is remote usability testing, and different things happening here. Okay, this is just a very simple website, not to waste your time. So how do you get in here? Let me just on my data. How do you get in here? You get in here by clicking the get started with website testing. So you click on it once, but before we click on it, let's come to the top right here and click on this once. You're going to see why Try Matter platform. You click on it, you are going to see usability testing, product analysis, research repository, and all of that. Okay, now for you to get paid, all right, remember, let me go out from here. If you want to get started with website testing, you can click here. Okay, but the best way to go about it is to come to the top right here, click on these three lines at the top right here, click on it once, and then scroll to the bottom where you see get paid to test. Are you seeing it now? Get paid to test. All other information you can read it on your own. You can take some time to read it to understand. But if you want to get paid on this website, what you need to do is to click on get paid to test. So you click on it, you will need to register. All right, so let's just wait for it to load. Beautiful. So you can see now, become a Try Matter tester. Get paid to use websites and apps and give your honest feedback. So like I said before, most people who register their websites here and their apps, they want to see how users interact with their app. So from your testing, you give them a feedback, and once you give them a feedback, they can use your feedback now to improve their website or their apps or their products. Are you getting it now? So this is exactly how it works. You are getting paid for your feedback. So how do you register here? You come here and insert your full name, you insert your PayPal email, and then you insert your password. You insert your full name, you insert your PayPal email, and then you insert your password and confirm, and then you click on I agree to the terms of service, and then you click create account. And once you create the account, you're going to receive a notification in your email to verify, and then you can follow the process. You start receiving notifications, and then you can have access to all the available testing jobs. Now with all I have showed you, I believe that you can actually come here and register and start making money for yourself. But if you want somebody to show you a step-by-step guide and show you the exact ways to make money from testing or from doing survey jobs, then there is a platform, there is a community you can join. All right, if you check the link in my description, which I advise you to go and check the link in the description of this video, check it. I'll be dropping a link there that will take you straight to a community, take you straight to a page where you can gain access to the community, where you can learn how to answer survey questions and get paid. This is real and legit, especially if you're someone who is looking to make money online without investing money. Okay, now getting access to that community requires that you pay some amount of money. It's not free. It's not for people who are lazy. It's not for people who are jokers. It's not for people who want to make money without working. Okay, that's why we have a commission, a fee, a commitment fee for you to join. All right, so that we can really get those who are interested. So if you're interested in that, go to the link in the description of this video. I'll drop it there for you, or check in the pinned post in the comments section. I'll drop it there for you. Okay, once you see it, click on it, make payments, and you'll be given the access to the community. That's all for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.